how to use the volume indicator in TradingView. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. So the first thing is that how to apply or how to show the volume indicator. By default, whenever you will go to the TradingView charts, you would see the volume indicator down here. This is called the volume indicator, but just in case, because of any reason, this is not visible. For example, if I remove this, you can easily display the volume indicator by going to the indicators and search for volume, and then you need to click that. Now, once this volume indicator is displayed, you would see the volume for each candlestick. For example, if we are on a day time frame, each candle is representing 1 day. So here we are seeing the daily volume. So for this particular day, for example, 10th October, the candlestick is shown here and the corresponding volume is here. While it gives you a general indication with respect to the overall volume in the last 28 or 30 days, whatever the time frame that is visible here. For example, in this case, the volume was higher than the previous days and even for the subsequent days. However, if you want to know the exact volume, you can take the cursor here and you can read the volume towards the right hand side. Here you can see that it is displayed in this black color. Now you can see here that it is 4.5 thousand. So this is the volume. Now you can also customize the volume indicator by just hovering over here and going to the settings, and in the settings you can change the moving average length. By default it is at 20. You can change it to 21 or 44, whatever you want to display it, and then in the style option you can change the color of the volume bars. By default, if the candlestick is green, the volume bar would be displayed in green, and if the candle was red, the volume bar would be displayed in red. However, it doesn't make any difference whether the candlestick was green or red. So you can change maybe the volume bars into one particular color. The overall aim is to see the volume quantity or amount that is displayed. But one thing that could be very useful is this volume moving average. It will tell you the here that we displayed the 20 or 21 days moving average. If I click here, let's say if I displayed this volume moving average, you would see this line which is floating over these bars. By default it would be in a different color, but I have made it black and I have increased its thickness also. By default it would be probably of this thickness, but you can customize it as per your liking, and then you can just click OK. Now see, you can watch this volume in a complete screen like this by pressing this maximize pane option, and here you can see that this is the average volume in the last 21 days. So let's say for this particular day we can say that the volume was less than average, and for these bars which are going above this black line, we can say that the volume was more than average. This is a good visual indicator. Just by looking at the bars and this moving average line, you can find out whether the volume is low or whether the volume was more than the average. The basic aim of this video was not to discuss the strategies specific to the volume, but to show you how this volume indicator is used. So if there is anything which I have missed, and or if there is anything which is not understood by you, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.